Hi to everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how you can by yourself build your own web page or landing page or the website for your portfolio or blog or plenty of interesting things like small businesses and so on and so on. This platform gives you the opportunity to make it fast, easy, and without need to learn some coding or web design or some else knowledges. So this is a fantastic tool. I just want to show you the functionality of all the editor and you will figure it out how to do it yourself because it's really simple, easy, and fast. So let's jump into my dashboard. Before you will get to your dashboard, you need to log in or sign up to the platform. Of course, we left the link in the description panel of this video so you can easily find this tool and you can get a bonus, a discount from our team, especially for our subscribers, so you can get it easily and without an effort. It's under this video in the description panel. So let's jump to create a website. It's pretty understandable. First of all, the platform will ask you what for you need the web page. It's gonna be online store or portfolio, membership or blog or launch page. And the topics: art and design, photography, health and beauty, personal CV, fashion, entertainment, travel, and so on and so on. And this is very interesting because there are plenty pre-made templates that will give you the opportunity to make it even faster than to build a website from scratch. Actually, it's not about the landing page itself, but I prefer to use landing pages. But for example, you have a business that needs tons of pages of your website, of your web page, and what is the purpose of this site is also depends on you and depends on your business. But in the matter of fact, the main purpose of any web page to bring new customers to your business. Is it physical or is it virtual, or you're selling the virtual goods? And to make that happen, you need to create a web page and go live with it. And the main purpose is to get the contacts from your potential client. So for example, let's use the portfolio and let's build some for example, photographer web page. It's gonna be light page. Okay, it's about the design, but we will change everything here. Just want to show you how to change things, how to move things, and how to combine your perfect web page. First of all, you need to give your page a name, of course. And the platform itself will say you right here how to act on this platform and how you can edit things. But I'm gonna show you in this video. I hope it will be short because I want to save your time and not to waste it. Here's the assistant. You can always switch it off or switch it on, and actually that's all you need to do to go live with your web page. Include site text or logo, add and delete pages, changes fonts and colors, add images, connect and update domains, optimize for search, and launch your site. So let's jump to edit straight. There are pages, design, commerce, marketing, scheduling, analytics, profile, settings, and help. On the first stages, of course, you will need the pages and design, and that's it. So here on this web page, you see that there's a header, there's some kind of content right here, and the raw footer down here. No, there's no, yeah, edit footer, there's footer. Let's edit something. Let's delete the sections that we don't need. For example, we're gonna leave one of them and we're gonna delete the other one. Before that, I want to show you that there's work about our services, project, and contact us. Let's edit site header first. There's site title and logo, elements, colors, fixed position, and fixed header style. Let's press site title and logo. Site title, we'll leave it like that. For example, if you have some image, you can upload it straight here. Okay, you see it looks pretty nice right here. You can change size and mobile logo max height. This is very important thing because a lot of traffic now flows from the smartphones and from the cell phones of people. So that means that people who will discover your web page or landing page from mobile devices should see the great picture, everything should be visible, and so on and so on. Okay, site title and logo, and we jump into elements. Elements is a button right here. Let's rename it. All right. You can enable social links right here, and they will appear right here. Back. For example, you can choose how your header will be displayed on the desktop devices or on the mobile devices. Header layout, and I want it to be like this or like this. Yeah, that's great. Pressing back, not changing everything. The same thing is right here. I want it to be the center, in the center. All right, that's pretty it. We added the site here, pressing save, and we jump into pages. You see that there's a lot of things: work, about, services, projects, and so on. That's the buttons, that's the pages that you can press on these words and you will jump to these pages. But we're gonna leave one page, just the main page, and that's it. Let's edit the main content. You see all these boxes right here, all the blue boxes and all the blue lines. That's the points where you can add some elements. When you're pressing this plus button, you see that you can add text, markdown, quote, image, video, spacer, line, button, audio, embed, and so on and so on. There's image layouts, there's summary, and more, even map or code or calendar. And you will just find out when you're gonna make it by your own. You will play with all these things, but I just want to show you the core knowledges that you need to know to create your own web page. I don't need this text, for example. Okay, this is pretty interesting right now. And here's the next section. You can change the text easily, just pressing the text, and you can just delete it here. By double click, you can edit all the things here. I need it to be the big one. All right. And all the things, even you can get the link to that. I will not gonna do that. All right. Here's the picture. With this pencil button, edit section. You can edit this section itself to make it bigger. You can make the content bigger. Okay, that looks pretty pretty nice already. You can add a background, you can add an image or video from YouTube, Vimeo, and a couple other platforms, or you can add an image. We will leave it without the changes now because I want to show you the colors. Here in the colors, you can edit the color scheme of this block. For example, like that, or like that, or like that. I like black minimal, for example. Looks pretty interesting. Now you see that here you can add section. When you press on this button, there are plenty of pre-made tools: list, gallery, images, quote, text, video, appointment, contact, donation, and so on and so on. Because I don't know what business do you have and what section do you need in your business, you can add all that you want here. For me, it's okay. Let's delete all the sections. You can delete it straight from here, remove, or for example, you can move it up or move it down. It's pretty understandable also. Or you can duplicate this section. I will delete it, and it's not experiential design. I want to delete all the sections that I don't need. And we talked already that main purpose of any web page to get a new potential clients. Full bleed. Yeah. That looks pretty good. Now let's add some picture. If we're talking about the wedding photographer, let's make it widescreen right here. And we're gonna edit the section. Background. This is just an image. You need to add your own image. For example, we're making it for the wedding photographer. Let's add an image of wedding photographer. Not himself, but his work, for example. Okay, great. You see there's spacer in each of sections, and this content you can add it right here. So you can, the same thing, you can make the section height small, for example, or medium, or large. I want it to be big, for example. But what if I want to add some text, for example, or text with a button, or text with a description? There's an interesting thing, poster. You can add a poster, but then you don't need the background here. So we're not gonna make it. Let's delete it. I want to add some text right here. All right, it's pretty small text right here. Want it to be much more bigger. And if you grab this text word, okay, we have just one spacer right here, but I want it to be on the left side of the picture. Okay, in this style. Let's see how it looks on mobile preview. It already looks nice, don't you think? Okay, so I prefer to add some button right here so your potential client can press the button straight from this spot. So we have one button here. We have like call to action, book me now and get 20% discount. And we're gonna add button right here. Not the learn more, but we're gonna make it large. and apply. Here you can edit the button itself. All the edits made with this pencil button. Let's see how it looks on the cell phone. Okay, great. So you can press it straight away. Let's create a dream together and book now. That's interesting. Done. Save. But we're not finished yet, because we have all these things right here and we don't need it. For example, we just need a footer with contacts, added footer. Everything is pretty changeable right here. I don't want it to be made with Squarespace. I just deleted it. Here I want to delete all this block with text. And all these projects also I want to delete. Let's add one more button. But I don't like the place of it. So I want this button to be, okay, I want it to be like this. Alright, that's pretty it. That's pretty it. It's pretty done. Here in the elements, you can add social links if you have some. Actual your Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, you can add the links right here and they will be clickable, so people when some of your potential client will click on it button, on this button, he will be redirected to your social media accounts. And that's pretty it. But for me, I don't like the font. Let's change the font. We can make it right here, fonts, and you see this. To switch, you're just pressing switch, and there's mixed serif or sans serif. Okay, I like this font. It seems nice to me. And we're just pressing save. That's pretty it. If we're talking about how to build it, that's pretty it. There are lots of things that we're gonna talk in other videos, how to make your web page visible to search engines and how to make this optimized. But in general, this is the main and core knowledges that you need to know to build your own web page. Here, for example, I don't need this about or services and projects. So you just go into pages and you can just delete this all sections. And you see it's not on the spot right now. And here you can add it, press into this gear button, page title. Okay, that changed to home. That's pretty it. And you see that we spent like less than 20 minutes to combine all the things to create simple landing page that will bring you new customers. If you will bring the traffic to this page, you can create a new customers from your visitors. And that's the main thing and the main point of any landing page or web page that exists nowadays on the market. But the main thing that you don't need to learn the coding, you don't need to learn the web design and all the knowledges for build your own web page or landing page or your blog. Any website you can create on this platform. So we talked about the Squarespace today. If you want to start by yourself, if you want to try, please check the link in the description panel of this video, because you can get a big discount for our subscribers, especially from our team, and use it. Be our guest. Wish you the great results in the site building and wish you a great day. Hope all this video makes sense for you. Hope this video will be useful. So Thanks for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe and press like and ring buttons. Bye bye and see you in the next videos.